Welcome students to our next lecture, the second lecture precisely for exercise 15.8. Okay, as I told you, we have only question number 2 this time. Question number 2 finds simple interest and amount, and there is one question on the screen. Before starting with the question, students, let me revise very quickly in 1 minute what was the formula we studied up till now. We studied up till now the formula for simple interest SI. It's PRT upon 100. Okay, now I want you all to just see over here. I told you all this P is principal, R is rate of interest, and T is time period, and I told you this T time period should be compulsorily in years. The time period T should be compulsorily in years. P multiplied by R multiplied by T. T should be in years, the time period. Okay, and the second formula what we studied was the formula of amount denoted by capital A. Amount is principal plus simple interest. Okay, but in today's lecture we'll see some questions, students, where the time period is not given in years. Okay, now let's see question number 2, sub question E on the screen. Sub question E, principal is rupees 540, rate of interest R is 10%, but time period to us is given in months. But we want always in this formula that time period should be in years. So that means we have to convert the months into years. Okay, so how to do that? Now for time period if it's given in months and you need to convert the time period in months to time period in years. As we all know that in 1 year we have 12 months. Please listen to my explanation, please, all of you. As we all know that in 1 month we have how many? In 1 year. In 1 year we have 12 months. We all know this. Okay, in 1 year we have 12 months. So that's the reason whenever the time period is given in months and you need to convert into years, so what you have to do, you have to divide the months by 12. Okay, so what you have to do, divide months by 12. Okay, divide months by 12. So if you divide the given number of months by 12, you convert the months into years. This is the formula. For example, if time period is given to you as 7 months, so how to convert into years? You will just divide this 7 with 12. Divide the months by 12. So this will be converted automatically to years. This is the note. Very, very important note, students. This, I want you all to copy this very nicely. Okay. So let me start. Before starting this, I just once again reiterate that if you want to convert the months into years, you have to divide the months by 12. Okay, now the question is pretty simple. Here in our question, I'm continuing with the question. In the solution part, is given to me that my time period T is 15 months. So I'll divide this 15 by 12. So automatically it gets converted into years. Fortunately, this time it happens that I can see that the cancellation can be done. It can be reduced. If it does not reduces, then also it's fine. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are. So this becomes 5 upon 4 years. Okay, 5 upon 4 years. Now let's start simple interest. The formula of simple interest. Simple interest is PRT upon 100. I don't have place down. That's the reason I'm going horizontally. You have to do horizontally. P, the principal is 540. Multiply by R. R is 10. Okay, time period is 5 upon 4. The whole upon 100. Therefore, simple interest will be this 540 multiplied by 10. This 4 comes down and gets multiplied with 100. So 5 upon 4. Okay, 5 upon 4 multiplied with 100. Now see the cancellation, students. This 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 goes off. 2 2s is 4. 2 2s is 4, carry 1, it's 14. 2 7s is 14. Now further we cannot do any cancellation. Okay, so now this will be what? 27 here will be multiplied with 5. Okay, so when 27 is multiplied by 5, you will get 135 and 2 is down. So now let's do the division. 2 1s are 2 6s is 12, carry 1, it's 15. 2 7s are is 14. Okay, so remainder is 1. So 1 is less than 2. So decimal point, and then 1 we append it with the 0, becomes 10. 5. You can do that division. Okay, 67.5. So therefore, students, we got simple interest as rupees 67.5. Yes, 67.5. Always put this rupee symbol or 1 marks will be deducted. Okay, next students, next over here we also need to find the amount. Okay, so what will be the amount? Amount denoted by capital A. The formula is principal plus the simple interest. Okay, principal plus the simple interest, okay, is equal to, what's the value of principal? Principal is given to us over here as rupees 540. So 540, give me 1 second. Okay, 540 plus this simple interest. What is the simple interest? Just now we got over here, so I'll add here 67.5. okay, so principal, which is 540, and this is 67.5. okay, if I add this 540 with 67.5, I'll get the answer, students, as 607.5. Don't forget to put this rupee symbol. Okay, so we got our answers. Simple interest was 67.5 rupees and amount is rupees 607.5. Please, student, pause the video. I want you all to copy this. This is very important note. Okay, then you continue. Do whatever I have done. This is very important note. Pause the video, please. Students, now I want right now, please, all of you solve this question. I'll not be solving it. You have the final answers in your textbooks. See question number 2, sub question F, please. Okay, principal is 1250 rupees, 12,450. Okay, it's 12450, 12,450. Rate 10% times 6 months. Okay, what's the thing over here? Here the time is expressed in months, so you will express in years, divided by 12. 6 upon 12 years. 6 ones are 6 twos are. It comes to be 1 upon 2 years. That's it. PRT, all is given. Right now you all will solve it, please. Please pause the video. I will not be solving it anything. Pause the video, please, and do it right now. Okay, students, now the last question of this chapter, sorry, not the chapter, this topic, or I will say the last question of this exercise. Question number 2, sub question D. I'll mark a star over here. An important question. Why an important question? Now, students, as I explained you all, that whenever there is months given, we need to convert the months into years. But see here, students, here this time 73 days. Time period is given in days. This is the only change. So whenever you need to convert the time period from days to years, what to do? Because we have 365 days, please mark my words, because we have 365 days in 1 year. Of course, I know the fact that leap year has 366 days, but in there they will not give you that which year exactly it is a leap year or non-leap year. So by default you have to consider 365 days, because 1 year has 365 days. So whenever time period in days is given to you, you just have to divide it by 365. So it will get converted into years. Okay, so what to do? You have to just divide the number of days by 365 and you'll get the time period in years. This is a very, very important note, students. Now please pay attention. In this question, I'll start with the solution. Time period is given as 73 days. Okay, so what I'll do 73 over here, and because it's given in days, so what I told you, just divide it by 365. Okay, divided by 365. So dividing by 365. Now, students, there might be the case that this does not get cancels, but here I can see here I have 3. Pay attention to my logic, please. Here I have 3, so I started 3 times table in my mind. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and I know 3 fives is 15, and here 5 is there. That's why in the rough work, what I'll do, in the rough work, I did 73 multiply by 5. 5 3s are it's 15, carry 1, 5 7s are 35 plus 1, 36. Okay, so see here, 73 ones are and 73 fives are. Of course, it's in years. So time period I got as 1 upon 5 years. That's it, students. Now you all can start. Please, you all can start. You just have to find the simple interest. What's the formula? PRT upon 100. I don't have place here, students. That's why I'm going horizontally. You all will go vertically. Principal, it's given to me as here 3125. So 3125 is the principal. Okay, rate is how much? 25. Okay, time period is 1 upon 5. Then that 5 will come down. Okay, so instead of writing 1 upon 5, I am writing here as 1 upon 5, and the multiply by 100. This 100 is here. Okay, now that is just the cancellation. Okay, so let me do the cancellation first. I can say 5 ones are here, 3125. 5 6 are becomes 30, carry 1. This becomes 12. 5 2s are is 10. So carry 2 becomes 25. 5 5s are, so this will be what? 625 multiply by 25. When you do 625 multiply by 25, you will get 15625, and down as it is 100. So therefore, students, simple interest will be rupees 100. So we have to apply the decimal after 2 digits. Okay, this will be 156.25. Don't forget to put this rupee symbol. Okay, now the things are done, students. Now the last step is what? We just have to find the amount. So amount, I don't have place, that's why I'm not leaving line. You have to leave sufficient lines, and you don't have to do this like this horizontally. You have to do one below another. Okay, amount denoted by capital A. The formula is principal plus simple interest, students. Therefore principal, what's my principal? My principal is 3125 plus simple interest I just got as 156.25, students, right? Okay, so therefore amount is equal to rupees 3125. Okay, if you add with 156.25, you will get 3281.25. yes, this is my amount, students. 3281.25. hope you all enjoyed the lecture. Please do it by yourself. Okay, hope you all understood this. You have to leave sufficient lines, and this is very simple. Just make a note of this, all of you, that whenever we need to convert days into years, divide the days by 365. Okay, please pause the video and do it fast.